Hi my love, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm Mal. If you are not new here, then it's welcome back. And you see what it is. We have this gorgeous hair. Okay, I'm so excited to show you guys this unit because it's looking like my real hair. I'm really happy with the way that this install turned out. And the best part about it is it's giving scalp. Like, come on. The entire 7x6 closure gives you so much room to part this wig. This is actually from LUVME Hair and it's called a PartingMax wig. Personally, I'm loving the versatility because this 7x6 closure is broad. You can pretty much split and part your hair in any way. It makes room for endless styles. And it's a wear and go wig. Everything is pre-done. It's glueless for an effortless fit. And of course, pre-styled, pre-bleached. The knots look amazing. And that lace is looking transparent, which I am loving. Now, you know I had to ask for a little something special for my audience. So LUVME Hair hooked us up with some exclusive discount codes. You can save 30 to 50% off. If you just check out my description bar, you'll find all of the codes and the links and the specs for this exact unit and all of their amazing sales that are happening right now. And because it's like Black Friday season, they're having actually some really amazing deals. But enough long talking, let's go ahead and put this unit on. I am the laziest girl ever. I just do 2 braids for my install. And please teach me how to cornrow because I really don't know, but it seems to work for me. So once I get that hair on, honestly, I was so impressed. Like, it already was looking so good straight out of the package. My favorite thing is when a wig has no ear tabs. So the fact that I can leave out my little baby hairs at the side, I find makes such a comfortable fit. And by the way, I'm talking in these clips because I thought my mic was on, but girl, I wasn't even wearing my mic. I still have a postpartum brain. So anyway, my installs are super easy. Now this is a glueless wig, but I'm gonna spray it down because I kind of want it to last for several days and just really look its best. So I find that if I do just a touch of the got to be spray, I can get my wig to really lay down. Now I'm taking my blow dryer on a cool setting. We're just doing the typical process, adhering that down. And once I get that all secured, it's as simple as merely cutting off that lace and it looks honestly so good. Like, the lace is looking so seamless. It's looking really transparent. And the other thing I really like about this wig, just from my first impression, is that the knots are definitely bleached. Like, it's giving scalp. This is the most nerve-wracking part and the most exciting part because I'm going to trim the lace off. I'm going to use a razor to do this because I don't want it to look too perfect and this creates a nice edge. Okay, I'm popping back in here because I was just looking on their webpage and I noticed that they had an option for this wig with pre-cut lace. So if you actually don't want to do this step, you can just get the wig already pre-cut and that way it's literally as simple as throwing it on and going. I love that. If you've been following me, you know that I just gave birth to my second son, and with a newborn and a toddler, it's been so hard to find time for myself and to get ready. And honestly, I really fell in love with this unit because this was like the first time in a few weeks that I actually really felt like beautiful and pretty. So I love how getting yourself done up and like the power of doing your hair can make you feel like yourself again. I think that's really amazing. Okay, this is what we're looking like now. We need to do a little mousse because you know the mousse helps it to blend. I'm really impressed with how this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it with my band. I do want to put a little mousse here. I'm gonna let this sit with the band on it, and while that's happening, I'm just putting a little mousse across my head. And I just want to like really emphasize the part a little bit. I feel like she's so cute. Now this hair needs nothing done to it, but I am just gonna take my razor and just graze the front. I love doing just like a little bit of face framing layers. So I'm just cutting like a touch at the front Okay, I angled you down just a bit so you can really get the full look at this hair. It's 22 inches and it's so beautiful. I am gonna take the band off now. It's been on for like 10 minutes or so and ooh, yes. Hold on. My hair is like totally eating right now. This looks so good. Let me get in. Like, how good does that look? Honestly, when I took the band off, this is what I wanted to see. Like, this looks really good. I'm gonna take just a little bit of concealer. I don't like putting much concealer on my part because honestly, the part already looks pretty good, but I do feel like I just need a touch right here. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. And then let's just go ahead and use my straightener here. Ooh. Honestly, I feel like this hair will look so good straight too. Like, I love the curls, but with this deep side part, how good would straight hair look? Cuddle break. Hey, baby. He goes everywhere with mommy. Oh, yes, my love. You were uncomfortable because you had gas. Yeah. We did his Hakika yesterday. So he's a little bald man right now. He looks so cute. He looks like a little old man. Okay, but this hair is so cute. I need to go change because I'm just wearing a sweatsuit right now and I feel like it's not giving the full vibes of like how cute I could really be. But this is what I needed. Like, this is what I needed. I needed to feel cute and look this cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and honest wig review. I am loving this hair. This looks like how I like my natural hair to look when I do like tape-in extensions, which is a lot more work than just laying this wig on my head. So trust me, I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. I would love for you guys to check out the description bar because that's where all of the discounts and the codes are for their special Black Friday deals. Don't forget to use that limited edition 30% off code. It's down below. And let me know what you think of LUVME Hair. Have you tried the PartingMax wig? Definitely leave me a comment because you never know, it could help somebody else out in the future. And I thank you for watching this video. Check out some of my other videos while you're here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.
Take on nobody but you.